Hey, it's David Gloger with eXp Realty, and before you spend a dime on that big remodel, you need to hear this. There are three popular upgrades that actually hurt your resale, especially if you're downsizing. And yep, I see them all the time. If you're 55 plus and planning to sell in the next year, listen up. Most sellers think remodeling has value, but not all upgrades are created the same. Some don't increase your sales price at all, and some can even scare away buyers. So the number one mistake most sellers make is luxury kitchen overhauls. I know it's tempting, the marble quart counters or built-in espresso machines, but here's the deal. Buyers care more about layout and flow than the high-end finishes. Spending $50K on your kitchen, you might not ever see that money back, especially if the new buyer wants to gut it anyway. Mistake number two, spa bathrooms with jacuzzi tubs. Sure, it sounds relaxing, but most buyers, especially other downsizers, it screams slippery maintenance nightmare. Today's buyers want clean, simple, and functional. Focus on the better lighting, a walk-in shower, not that oversized tub that no one will use. Mistake number three, built-ins everywhere. Look, I love a Pinterest-worthy built-in as much as anybody, but when it starts to feel too customized with bookshelves, desks, cabinetry everywhere, it actually makes the space feel cramped. Buyers want flexibility, not your exact taste locked into the walls. All right, this is where most sellers get it wrong. You're not remodeling for you anymore, you're remodeling for them. And what they value isn't always what you think. So if you're thinking about selling in the next year or so, let's make sure you're not pouring money into upgrades that won't pay off. Direct message me the word remix or drop a comment and I will give you a free breakdown of where to spend and where to skip. I'm David Gloger with eXp Realty, and I'm here to help you sell smart.